Welcome. If you want to update the description of a Telegram group using the Telegram app on your PC, you're in the right place. Whether you're sharing group rules, important announcements, or just giving your community a fresh introduction, changing the group description is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make those updates with the latest Telegram update. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look at your chat list and find the group where you're an admin. Only admins have permission to change the group description, so double-check your role if you don't see the right options. Click on the group to open the chat window. At the top right corner of the group screen, you'll notice 3 dots. This is your menu button. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with several management options. From the menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the Group Settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your group. Here, you'll see the current group photo, name, and just below that, the description field. If your group doesn't have a description yet, the field might say, Description Optional in gray text. Click inside the description field and type your new group description. You can include details like group rules, upcoming events, or any information you want your members to see. Take your time to make it clear and helpful. Once you're satisfied with your changes, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right of the settings window. Click Save to apply your new description. Your group's description will update instantly, and all members will be able to see the new information right away. That's all it takes. Keeping your Telegram group description updated ensures everyone stays informed and helps new members feel welcome. Thanks for following along, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with the latest features.